ticket to the world. So they have like DIY baking over here, perfume stuff over here, and then a museum. You guys ready? You want to check out the ticket to the world, the museum? Jen, these are all the DIY cupcakes
Dad, can I
that you can make over here.
Dad, can I try to make it? Dad.
Maybe. So these are the cakes right here. Look at the cakes, guys. There's that little piggy.
Giraffe.
Good for kids. Going in. Come on, Fifi. Thank you. Wow. All these outfits here. Big dragon. You want to try something on, Peepa? Who are these people here? Who are these people? Hello. Hello. Hello.
Okay po, our first destination. Welcome to Asia.
Thank you. We're in Asia. Look at all the delicious food, guys. Asia. Look at this.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Smile. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, what's this?
Where po siyang ice cream?
People, look. Very good.
Imagine the world as it was then, where groups of hunter-gatherers roamed the vast landscapes, adapting to their surroundings and laying the foundations for future societies. Fast forward through the ages, and we witness the rise of ancient civilizations around 600 CE. Each period brought significant developments that shaped human life. Picture the transition from nomadic lifestyles to early agriculture during the Neolithic era as people began to settle down.
These are street food favorites from Southeast Asia, South Asia, and East Asia. Let me go. Let me join them.
Each period brought culture during the Neolithic era as people began to settle down, cultivate crops and build communities.
Mahirap nga to.
As societies advanced, So did theirs. As you step inside, take a moment to admire our stunning.
Welcome to Africa.
Africa. Wow. It's the Sphinx, the Great Sphinx of Giza. You want to make a bracelet?
Kayo rin po yung gagawa. Pipili ng mga color.
Ito, siguro yung ganito.
Ito rin po kayo gumawa ng ganito.
Kapipan.
We're in Africa.
Ganito, bahala. O, simula ka dyan. O, pasok mo sa tubig.
Pili ka isa. This one.
Oh, for the bracelet.
Favorite mo siguro red.
Yeah, that's her favorite color. Hi, Phoebe. Boom. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Yeah, let's go.
Maybe two red, two blue, and or two red, one blue.
The blue. Let me see. Pipa. Cool.
This is
Oh, yours.
one maybe.
Okay. The circle of life.
May ramate.
One, two, three. Go.
Australia.
This is the city opera. Pwede ka kayo picture dito ma'am. Please stay.
In fact,
This is Antarctica, guys.
60% of the world's fresh water, making it a vital resource for our
Whoa!
planet.
Thank you.
But did you know that Antarctica has no countries or permanent residents? Instead, this frozen land is home to temporary scientists and support staff who come from all around the globe to study its unique environment. Within this icy landscape lies a fascinating research city known as
Ice
Polar
cream.
West. Here, scientists collaborate on groundbreaking discoveries,
Wow.
exploring everything from climate change to wildlife conservation, all while working in one of the most extreme environments on Earth.
let's take a moment to journey back in time. Antarctica's prehistory dates back about 200 million years when it was part of the supercontinent Gondwana. Imagine a time when the land was interconnected, filled with diverse ecosystems. As the continents shifted to its current position over the South Pole. Now, picture the early Cretaceous period, around 145
Wow. That's cool, huh, guys? Oh, you can go in there. Anong kayo? Hi, Fifi. Hi, Fifi.
or minus 112 degrees Fahrenheit. This vast icy expanse covers a staggering 14 million square kilometers, about 90% of which is covered in ice. In fact, Antarctica has a remarkable 60% of the world's fresh water, making it a vital resource for our life. But this isn't what Antarctica has to do.
Stonehenge.
Caro siéntate. Benvenuti.
Oh, this is the art. Yes.
Okay na po, picture na po po ito, ma'am. 1, 2, 3, 5.
and ancient ruins of Rome, there's so much to explore. As many exciting artists, you can listen to languages such as English, French,
Ako, isa-isa po ay pwede po yan. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, smile!
The descendants of these early inhabitants such as of these diverse cultures have created
We're in Europe. Oh, we have free cookies.
Yeah, we have nuts, chocolate, and strawberry. Want the chocolate? I want this.
Free cookies. Let me see, Pipa.
Ito na. Ano po gusto niyo?
Oh. See if you like it.
You want free?
Try this the first
What do you
time.
want? Chocolate?
Good. Thank you,
Ma'am,
sir.
kayo ma'am. Nuts, chocolate, strawberry. Nagpunta na. One time ma'am. Kunwari hindi nyo kakain. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Going inside the London bus, guys. Put your face in there.
From the moment he was born, Leonardo showed everyone that he was not an ordinary child. To keep to abilities with one of the
Knock, knock, knock.
Knock, knock, knock.
Hi, Phoebe. Las Vegas.
That is the Las Vegas thing.
This is where we're gonna get married. Okay, don't touch it, okay? August.
Okay, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, smile.
North and South America here. Statue of Liberty, Rio de Janeiro.
You can make a version.
Mount Rushmore over here. Cool. That's it, guys. All done. This is a souvenir shop. That was fun.